Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new today. I am just cleaning some of my main areas downstairs. I hope it gives you some great cleaning motivation.
Shouting your name, turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep. And you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. We're beautiful. So don't go changing. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Keep on shining. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are, just the way you are, oh, just the way you are.
So we still haven't finished putting the house back together after Thanksgiving. So our little buffet cabinet is actually still in the main living area. We pulled it out so we'd have more room in our dining room for all the company, and then we also used it as like a place to put the appetizers, and we still need to move that back.
The feeling that you hand me is something I can return. Be proud of what you give us. You're such a hero to me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You're ever so shy, and you don't realize you're a song in our minds. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You fill our hearts and heal every
that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you back here again real soon.
So shy.